Welcome to Bohol, one of the most stunning and diverse travel destinations in the Philippines. From its world-famous chocolate hills to crystal-clear waters and unique wildlife, Bohol has something for every traveler. In this guide, we'll show you the best places to visit, things to do, and tips to make the most out of your trip. First on the list is Bohol's iconic landmark, the Chocolate Hills. This geological wonder consists of over 1,200 symmetrical hills that turn chocolate brown during the dry season. Head to the Chocolate Hills complex in Carmen for the best view, or visit Sagbayan Peak for a quieter experience. Don't forget your camera, this is a must-see for every visitor. Next, meet the tarsier, one of the smallest primates in the world. These nocturnal creatures are native to Bohol and are absolutely fascinating to see up close. Visit the Tarsier Conservation Area in Loboc or the Philippine Tarsier Sanctuary in Corella. Remember, tarsiers are shy and sensitive, so keep your voice low and avoid using flash photography. For a dose of sun and sea, head to Panglao Island, home to some of the best beaches in the Philippines. Alona Beach is the most popular spot, known for its lively atmosphere, beachfront restaurants, and water activities. For a quieter escape, visit Dumaluan Beach or Doljo Beach. Don't miss the chance to go snorkeling or diving in Panglao's vibrant coral reefs. Take a relaxing Loboc River Cruise, one of the most serene experiences in Bohol. Enjoy a buffet lunch on a floating restaurant as you drift through a river lined with palm trees and lush forests. Some cruises also include live music or cultural performances, making it a great way to immerse yourself in local culture. Drive through the enchanting Bilar Man-Made Forest, a 2-kilometer stretch of mahogany trees. Stop for photos, but be careful of passing vehicles. For adrenaline junkies, visit Danao Adventure Park, where you can try activities like ziplining, rappelling, or the thrilling plunge, a canyon swing that's not for the faint-hearted. Island hopping is a must in Bohol. Start with Balikasag Island, a marine sanctuary perfect for snorkeling and diving. Swim alongside sea turtles and colorful fish. Then head to Virgin Island, a picturesque sandbar surrounded by crystal-clear water, perfect for photos and a relaxing dip. No trip to Bohol is complete without trying its delicious local food. Sample calamai, a sweet sticky rice delicacy, or enjoy fresh seafood straight from the island's waters. And don't miss uba ice cream, made from the famous purple yam of the Philippines. Before you go, here are a few tips. The best time to visit Bohol is during the dry season, from November to May. Rent a scooter or car to explore the island at your own pace. And don't forget to bring eco-friendly sunscreen to protect Bohol's marine life. Whether you're a nature lover, a beach bum, or an adventure seeker, Bohol has it all. Start planning your trip today and discover the magic of this incredible island. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel tips and guides. See you in the next video.